Hello, and thank you for joining us today for our virtual graduation. My name is Pam Van Sant, President of National Aviation Academy. I'd like to start by saying thank you to our graduates. Thank you for your flexibility and willingness to persevere while we found new ways and solutions to help you finish your education. I think we would all prefer to have this in person and under different circumstances, but it is an absolute pleasure and a privilege to be speaking before you today to congratulate you on this milestone achievement. Before I introduce our host today, I would like to say that graduation is a time of both reflection and anticipation for the next chapter in life. You may be surprised, but I actually remember my graduation. I won't tell you how long ago, but the 737 was already in service. I remember thinking what an accomplishment it was to study, do the work, pass the exams, to come this far. We may have some graduates here that feel that way today because, as some of you know, we have a very challenging program and not everyone graduates. Our programs are 2,000 and 3,000 hours of academics. That's bookwork, projects, tests in which every hour must be completed and all academics pass successfully. So be very proud of them today, just as we are proud of them. And with that, I would like to introduce our host today, our Vice President of Education, Don Johnson.
Thank you, Pam, and good afternoon, everyone. I am Don Johnson, Vice President of Education. It is my honor to host today's graduation. Finishing your education under any circumstance is an incredible achievement, but to be graduating through a pandemic is something altogether extraordinary. This is something you'll never forget. As you face challenges and celebrate successes in the future, remember this moment. Remember that you are capable of rising above and accomplishing your goals no matter what comes your way. I graduated from an aviation maintenance training school in 1977. Spent 39 years working in the airline industry before coming to National Aviation Academy. I know firsthand the hard work that our students put in and the possibilities that come next. On behalf of all of us at NAA, we appreciate you being here in support of the hardworking individuals who are about to join us. Before we recognize our graduates, we have a special message to thank those of you who have been there from the start. I present to you the student shoutouts.
Hi, Brandon Bliss. I'd like to thank my mom, my dad, my girlfriend, my close friends, and my instructors for helping me go through school. I really appreciate it.
Hi, I'm Drew Collins. I just want to thank my family for supporting me and going back to school. I want to thank all the instructors here at NAA for helping me get through it, and thank all my friends that have been there and through all the late nights of studying and homework.
Hi, my name is Justin Avery. I'd like to give a shout out to my girlfriend Rachel for motivating me to go back to school and pushing me to better myself. I'd also like to give a shout out to all the instructors here at NAA for making this an awesome experience and handing down everything they've learned over the years of their career. And lastly, I'd like to shout out all my fellow classmates, especially the lifelong friends I've made here, and for making this a memorable experience and motivating each other to get through this program and finish out on top.
Hi, my name is Leroy Brooks. I would like to thank my parents, God, my friends, and my instructors for helping me get through this journey at NAA.
Please join me in welcoming today's graduating class. At this time, I'd like to recognize our graduating classes. Congratulations to our aviation maintenance professional students who have attended NAA for 3,000 hours over 21 months. They are graduating today and are joining the aviation industry as advanced aircraft systems technicians, inspecting, maintaining, and repairing the electrical systems of aircraft, including autopilot, weather radar, GPS navigation, communication, and aircraft wiring systems. Additionally, congratulations to our aviation maintenance technology students who have attended NAA for 2,000 hours over 14 months. They will join the industry as line maintenance technicians, heavy maintenance technicians, ride mechanics, and alternate power solutions technicians. Individuals from these classes have already secured employment with industry leaders such as Draken, Piper, and Airborne. Good luck to each of you as you transition to employment. You've worked hard to get here, and I know you'll accomplish even more out in the industry. You have proven yourselves to be valuable assets to the aviation community and are well prepared for the success that awaits you. You'll notice our graduates are wearing honor cords, each with a different distinction. A red cord signifies power plant certification. A white cord recognizes airframe certification. A silver cord designates completion of the NCAT and FCC Elements 1, 3, and 8. A red, white, and black cord indicates student council membership, and a red, white, and blue cords honors military service, for which I thank you. You have each accomplished a tremendous milestone. You've completed the necessary training to test for and receive your Federal Aviation Administration certifications. Well done. At this time, I would like to introduce Henry Duke to announce our graduates and their awards.
Thank you, Don. My name is Henry Duke. I am the Education Services Assistant Manager, and it is my honor to bestow certificates on our graduates today. We're going to begin with our 1,000-hour Advanced Aircraft Systems graduate, Selvan Lutchman.
Congratulations.
And now our 3,000-hour Aviation Maintenance Professional graduates, Gabriel Dos Reis. Summa cum laude, James Lowe. Christopher Percha. Joshua Seda Sepulveda. And now our 2,000-hour Aviation Maintenance Technician graduates. Jesse Adams. Mr. Adams also received a Perfect Attendance Award. Cum laude, Justin Avery. Mr. Avery also had a Perfect Attendance Award. Magna cum laude, Brandon Bliss. Mr. Bliss received an Outstanding Attendance Award. Leroy Brooks. Mr. Brooks also received a Perfect Attendance Award. Sebastian Candelaria Rodriguez. Magna cum laude, Drew Collins. Mr. Collins also received a Perfect Attendance Award. Devin Hansen. Newton Hansen. Joshua Hapner. Morgan Howard. Justin Lambert. Cum laude, Eric Lataxis. Cum laude, Tia Lewis. Ms. Lewis also received a perfect attendance award. Cum laude, Sang Nguyen. Cortez Robinson. Charles Sidletsky. Mr. Sidletsky received an outstanding attendance award. Warren Taylor. Tyler Walker. Magna cum laude, Joshua Welbert. Congratulations, everyone. And now we're going to do a couple awards. Our first up is our team award. We have a team award for power plant and for airframe, and it's the average of every member GPA. Having said that, the same team won both awards for power plant and airframe. Jesse Adams, Justin Avery, Brandon Bliss, Leroy Brooks, and Drew Collins. And now the Top Tech Award. The Top Tech is based on overall GPA, attendance, and certifications received. Our 3,000-hour aviation maintenance professional Top Tech is James Lowe.
There you go. There you go.
And our 2,000-hour aviation maintenance technician Top Tech is Drew Collins. Congratulations. And now I'd like to bring Don Johnson back up to present our valedictorian.
NIA's Tampa Bay campus has been in operation since 1969. As we celebrate over 50 years training onward, we will be awarding a valedictorian at each graduation. It is sometimes the tradition that the valedictorian is announced ahead of the ceremony, but because of the rigor of our programs to the very end, the highest GPA was not known until the very last day of class. At this time, we'd like to recognize the students in the running for valedictorian. These students achieved the highest GPAs in the Aviation Maintenance Technology course. All of our valedictorian candidates deserve recognition for their hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Those candidates are Brandon Bliss, Drew Collins, James Lowe, and Joshua Welbert. That said, one student rose above the rest, achieving the highest GPA. Today's valedictorian is James Lowe. As each student well knows, we constantly instill the importance of honesty, integrity, and human factors awareness in aviation. As you transition into the workplace, please remember that remaining focused on the job at hand is of the utmost importance. The work of an aircraft mechanic is critical, and the public relies on us every day to do the right things and produce safe aircraft to travel on. Always be aware of your surroundings and follow written policies and procedures to the letter while keeping safety as your most important task. While losing focus and becoming distracted can very easily result in costly or even catastrophic outcomes. As a pledge to maintain safety and do the right thing always, we will now recite the Mechanic's Creed.
Upon my honor, I swear that I shall hold in sacred trust the rights and privileges conferred upon me as a certified mechanic.
Safety and lives of others are dependent upon my skill and judgment. I shall never knowingly subject others to risk which I would not be willing to assume myself or those dear to me. In discharging this trust, I pledge myself never to undertake work or approve work which I feel to be beyond the limits of my knowledge. Nor shall I allow any non-certificated superior to persuade me to approve aircraft or equipment as airworthy against my better judgment. Nor shall I permit my judgment to be influenced by money or other personal gain. Nor shall I pass as airworthy aircraft or equipment about which I am in doubt, either as a result of direct inspection or uncertainty regarding the ability of others who have worked on it to accomplish their work satisfactorily. I realize the great responsibility which is mine as a certified airman to exercise my judgment on the airworthiness of aircraft and equipment. I therefore pledge my unyielding adherence to these principles for the advancement of aviation and for the dignity of my vocation.
And now the moment you have all been waiting for. The turning of the tassel is a significant moment in the graduation ceremony. It symbolizes moving from candidate to graduate. It is the last act that you will perform as NAA students. It is the final instruction we have for you to follow. Each of us are lifelong learners, but in this moment, you become something more. You become graduates, ready to take on the world. Now I ask you, graduates, turn your tassels from right to left. We at National Aviation Academy are dedicated to our mission of preparing students for employment in the aviation industry. As graduates, today is a new beginning. Embark on this next chapter in your careers with the knowledge that you are ready to keep the skies safe. Graduates, family, friends, and staff, thank you for watching today's ceremony. I commend each graduate for your hard work throughout your studies at NAA. Please celebrate your success. You've earned it. Thank you.